He no go fit just come abroad without he no test that pot of oyibo soup. He wan test. Hi guys, welcome people, welcome to my YouTube channel Amebogist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. And to my wonderful subscribers, I thank you all for your love and the massive support. Subscribe, share my video, your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, to all your via social media platform, and let our video go wide. Thank you all for always tuning in. I love you all. So like today, my darling people, we don't come again with another hot aproko. Una know say this channel na those kind matter when you go here, you go say, hey, bami oh, now we dey here for this place. Then they bring for this our channel. It's a storyline channel. This place now for true life story. That's why I say sometimes maybe we go dey bring aproko when people don't shoot mouth blog and but is a storyline channel. So if you get that story when they bother you, I beg bring am to our doorstep. We go help you nanara analyze una know na they trust me, una know how it dey run now. So let's keep it rolling. So may we dive into the topic of today. Our mommy, our brothers, our sisters, our uncles, our daddies, thank you all for all una love and support. So like today, my darling people, I don't come again with another hot matter. If una hear this matter, it don seke again, it don happen. Now this our sister na call, our sister bring matter. If una hear this matter, una head go heavy, gbo. Una go dey imagine say Jesus. Sometimes our guests many never open at all. Ye. Because if una see this matter when they carry come, so yeah, na sit down, they chop popcorn, and as I dey download and you go dey upload them. So make me upload me for a download. Oh yeah, now. So this our sister, our beautiful sister, bring this story. He say in dey for this our obodo Igbo, which the country I no mention. He say but in dey part of this western world for the Europe side. Tuesday. Oh yeah now. He say so as in dey for some years he don still take dey. So he come dey friend one bros. So as in dey follow these bros, they love each other. Not until one day bros come tell am, see, my darling sister, I don take for this abroad and I never dualize oyibo. Me, I wan still dualize oyibo. Eyin pa ojari temi. He say he wan still go test oyibo. Na so black na him dey test. He need oyibo now. Is there any way when you take go for help him make him see oyibo? Then the girl come say, sure, which one come be this you and your oyibo matter? You dey find oyibo. Who oyibo wey dey find dey run? You wey never. He say no, he no go fit just come abroad without he no test that pot of oyibo soup. He wan test. Now the sister come say, okay, he no get the way wan take help you. Then bros come begin dey find for internet by himself. He begin enter inside social media. He begin dey select. He begin dey write any oyibo wey you see feature. He begin dey search the all oyibo names, send dem request, begin dey chat with oyibo. Na so he come take see one wey we dey call iyako baba mewa meji. He come carry one. As he don carry this oyibo, oyibo matter. He no know say the oyibo na oyibo efien ose o when e don tear eye even pass blage oyibo e tear eye reach down. Na so oyibo come take dey chat with am. Two of them come dey talk. E don take small time. E come invite oyibo. E come say make oyibo come, make come visit am for the country wey e dey. Na so oyibo take carry bag, but oyibo na Switzerland. Now the oyibo enter flight oyakpaka. E land for the other countryside. E go see this black boy. As he come see am, then the black boy come tell him girlfriend say, oh black girl, abeg dey your lane first for now. Oyibo when I don dey talk to for Facebook, he don come finally come see me. Abeg first stay your track. That black guy say okay, oh no problem. How long your Oyibo wan stay? He say he never know, but maybe 3-4 days. In your series, he say normal Oyibo maybe if you too take 2-3 days because na black you can't see Oyibo, you no know person before Facebook and all those. Oyibo come he gree comot 2 weeks. Oyibo no worry, one wa here. I never see anything. Oyibo he no gree ready to comot. This guy say if he will call him boyfriend no go carry phone. He dey dodge there. The boy you carry the Oyibo come dey fear baba. He don see Oyibo. He say as he carry Oyibo na so they carry am go bar, club, restaurant, everywhere. He say people come dey call am say, hey boyfriend do well. Na he and Oyibo dey come dey see for everywhere. Because say he tire o. Na so na dey ask me so na so I still dey ask am. Me myself no know wetin dey happen. He say come say okay o, dem come dey. Not until Oyibo come ready to comot after 1 whole month. 1 month na Oyibo take comot. And as Oyibo comot, e no get anything e wan fit do because say okay o, you come carry a bag of baggages. And he say within the period of this 1 month, he himself no come fit wait again because no be say he no fit wait say maybe they scratch am, but the way the boy take doing, he wan use the opportunity dump the boy. Say how can 2 years relationship just dump him because of one Oyibo like that? If he stay for a whole month, let me say tomorrow if he see another black girl wey he love pass him, he go still dump him. And so he just say can conclude. He say okay oh, he still get wey dey talk to am, he go begin dey follow down. As he don dey follow am, 1 more time Oyibo don comot, the boy begin disturb because say abeg carry your wahala make you dey go. He himself don still hook up him own Oyibo black boy. He come still dey friend the guy. Now the boy say no, why you go do like that? He tell you say na Oyibo now. And you yourself, he say because he see 2 of them like countless times for street or outside when they stroll they go. He say go say so now you cause am, so he said just still move on. Me no worry, me just move on with the Oyibo. The guy come dey beg. He come say okay, money when you ask you first give me number 1. He say that the boy come say he Oyibo because the Oyibo when he dey around, wetin make her even take reach like that, reach 1 month. He really do the boy back and front because he see am say the boy na boy dey desperate to get white girl. Not be say maybe for love or anything, but he was really desperate and the Oyibo know. So Oyibo himself na Oyibo he be say don fair to follow black boy. He don open eye of here say oh. Oyibo come tell am say make you no worry. For this period when you take dey around, na you go dey spend, but when he comot back to Switzerland, he go send you 10,000 cash euro. The boy come dey happy, come dey tell everybody, hey boy, I want go now. My Oyibo say wan give me 10k. My Oyibo say wan give me 10k. My Oyibo anywhere you reach, people dey say which one you know the way your woman go say no. Abeg mo na not talk am me. He don get Oyibo wan give me 10k. So they come dey call the guy Oyibo wan give me 10k. So not until when Oyibo comot finish, when Oyibo wan go, it's cause make the guy escort him reach airport. He say that this one come make me even the laugh. He say as the guy escort am reach airport, behold, Oyibo wan comot, he come give all those makeup, all this our lipstick, lead and all of them boy wey he use remain. Pack am say oya o tieni, come dash the boy. Then the boy say wetin you wan use am do? He say you know say you get girlfriend. No fit say all those your one wey you dey do. Oyibo come begin dey speak pidgin English. Switzerland Oyibo, no be black. No be say maybe na half caste. Pure Switzerland girl. Oyibo come dey speak rap pidgin English with am. Say all those one you dey talk of when they hear, I hear everything when you talk. And secondly, you no be first boyfriend. You no be first candidate. He don follow many black. He open hair pass you. Make you no worry. Make you just take. Make it dash your girlfriend. As for the money when he promise you, that will not be problem. He will still give you. He say so as he comot, he can imagine that is the guy. The girlfriend will give me the story. So say the guy say can imagine say sure. Then he say this kind thing. Oyibo you can do it come and buy. Come say no problem. Yeah, no, Oyibo can still dey communicate. After he don reach 1 day, 2 days. The 3rd day he come dey wait say Oyibo say he go send money when he reach as don rest. 3 days. Ebo be send you when. Now Oyibo come call now. Come tell am say thanks very much, my lover boy. Say he really enjoy all the time when he spend with this our Africa bros. Say he really enjoy am and a real memorable time all in life, na good memory for am. But she no get wey wan come give am. He need even fair who get wey wan collect join am own. So you just believe say he get 10k wan come give, and if you won't get am, he go come give you. Say because of wetin he come enjoy himself when Italians dey come divertire. He go enjoy himself with you. So you dey available because you need white. No be say you love him. So my darling, just stay your own day. Let him dey your own day. This guy be one kolo. He be one kolo throwaway cloth say Jesus. Oyibo just do it come and buy like this. At the end of the day, what do you expect? He can't go back, go beg his girlfriend. And yeah, then he come make the girl call and say wetin he will do. He don't dey beg the girl. Hey, they really beg, say abeg, make them come back. Abeg, Oyibo don't go. Abeg, make them start from where they stop. Then the girl say no, where they stop don't expire. Tey. He don't still dey into relationship, and the person you go dey into, he still dey nice to her. Now make you still leave that one. Follow this matter. So in question now be say whether make him leave that one wey don dey nice to am for all this while when this him boyfriend wey dump am for 2 years of relationship take follow Igbo come go back to that guy despite him still love that him first boyfriend wey dump him for Igbo. He still love am, but he don dey into relationship wey dey give him happiness, but he no dey happy because he never just love the boy like this other guy. Whether make him still go back to the boy or give the other one chance time make him take love am back. So now this one be the news wey our sister get wey carry come our table. So thank you all so much for your constant love and support. If you never subscribe to Amebo Gist TV, where you go to get all the ogbonge and obana mixture topic, abeg help us hit on the subscribe button, follow our page. Thank you all so much. Love you all. See you all on our next video, and bye bye.